Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Kirloskar Oil Engines. Our analyst maintains positive viewpoint on Kirloskar Oils with an upside of 32% and price target of Rs 1596. Kirloskar Oil's Q1 performance outperformed our expectation on the margins front. Operating profit grew 28%, PAT grew 30%, leading the operating profit margin and PAT margin to improve by 250 and 187 bips respectively. Revenue growth was just 6% year-on-year on a high base, which witnessed pre-buying. KOEL is expected to witness significant revenue growth given pickup in demand for higher realization CPCB4 plus gensets, strong infrastructure demand, and improved growth prospect in the export market. Company has defined its strategic growth path for overall business to reach $2 billion by 2030. At current market price, stock is reasonably valued at price to equity of 29 times its FY26 earnings. The stock also trades at a significant valuation gap as compared to Cummins with similar growth prospect, which provides a margin of safety.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.